One day, you'll wake up to 1 million subscribers. Brands will be emailing you. Fans will recognize your name. But almost nobody sees what it takes to get there. This is your life as a YouTuber, every stage. Every YouTuber starts the same way, with a simple idea. One day, you're scrolling through YouTube, watching creators live the life you've always wanted. Millions of views, hundreds of thousands of subscribers, play buttons hanging on their walls. Then a thought quietly crosses your mind. I can do this too. That idea refuses to leave your head. You start imagining your own channel, your own audience, your own success story. So you tell your friends. Some smile, some laugh. Others tell you to focus on something more realistic. Nobody really believes you. But that's okay, because every successful creator once looked crazy to everyone else. Every YouTuber starts with one thing, an idea, transition. Then comes the part every creator remembers. Chapter 2, the first upload. After days of planning, hours of recording, and what feels like forever editing, you finally upload your very first video. This is it, the moment you've been waiting for. You sit back, open YouTube Studio, and wait for the views to start rolling in. Refresh. Still nothing. Refresh again. Maybe YouTube hasn't updated yet. Refresh again. An hour later. Still zero. Not even one view. The excitement slowly disappears. The room suddenly feels quieter than before. Then the doubt begins. What if nobody ever watches? Maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe YouTube just isn't for me. Then, your phone vibrates. One notification. Your first subscriber. It isn't a million. It isn't 1,000. It's just one person. But somehow, that single notification means everything. Chapter 3. Learning the hard way. One subscriber isn't enough. So you make another video. And another. And another. You spend 6 hours editing a video. That barely gets watched. You design a thumbnail. Nobody clicks. You change the title. Nothing happens. You upload again. Still, almost no comments. Almost no views. You start comparing yourself to other creators. People who started after you already have thousands of subscribers. For a moment, you seriously think about quitting. But instead of giving up, you start learning. You study thumbnails. You study titles. You study storytelling. Every mistake becomes a lesson. Slowly, your videos begin getting better, even if the numbers don't show it yet. Chapter 4. The obsession. Without even realizing it, you become obsessed. The first thing you do every morning isn't checking your messages anymore. It's opening YouTube Studio. Views, subscribers, CTR, impressions, audience retention. Refresh. Refresh again. Refresh again. One new view appears. You smile. One new comment. You read it 3 times. One new subscriber. You celebrate like you just hit 1 million. You stop watching YouTube for entertainment. Now, you study it. You analyze every graph, every percentage, every thumbnail, every title, even while eating. You're thinking about your next upload. And every single time you publish a new video, you quietly tell yourself, maybe this is the one. Transition. Then, one ordinary morning changes everything. Chapter 5. First real success. You wake up, grab your phone, and open YouTube Studio like always. But something feels different. The numbers are moving. Fast. 100 views. 500. 1,000. 5,000. Then, 10,000 views. Your heart starts racing. You refresh the page. It's still climbing. People are commenting, sharing your video, subscribing to your channel. For the first time, the algorithm has finally noticed you. You lean back in your chair and smile. I finally made it. But deep down, you have no idea. This is only the beginning. Chapter 6. Burnout. At first, success feels incredible. People are finally watching. Subscribers keep coming in. But something quietly changes. Uploading is no longer just exciting. It becomes expected. You tell yourself, I have to post this week. Then, I have to post tomorrow. Soon, you aren't creating because you want to. You're creating because you feel like you have to. Ideas stop coming naturally. You stare at a blank editing timeline for hours. You record, delete it, record again, delete it again. Editing, the thing you once loved, starts feeling like a full-time job. The passion slowly disappears. And for the first time, you wonder if chasing your dream is worth losing the joy that started it. Transition. Just when you think the pressure can't get any worse, the internet reminds you it always can. Chapter 7. The hate. It starts with one comment. This video is terrible. You laugh it off. Then another appears. Stop uploading. Another. You're overrated. Then another. You don't deserve your subscribers. At first, you pretend it doesn't bother you. But late at night, you read them again. You begin questioning yourself. Maybe they're right. For a moment, you actually consider quitting. You wonder if disappearing would be easier than proving them wrong. But then, something unexpected happens. Transition. Among thousands of comments, one message changes everything. Chapter 8. The Community. One stranger writes, "Your videos helped me through a difficult time." Another says, "You inspired me to start my own channel." Then another, "I've been waiting all week for this upload." Suddenly, it isn't about views anymore. It isn't about subscribers. It isn't even about the algorithm. Real people are waiting for you. People you've never met are smiling because of something you created. That's when everything changes. You're no longer uploading for numbers. You're uploading because someone out there genuinely cares. And that's a feeling no analytics page can ever measure. Transition. Then one email proves your dream was never impossible. Chapter 9. Your first paycheck. One morning, you receive an email from YouTube. Your first payment is ready. You open it. Stare at the number. It's not enough to buy a house. It's not enough to quit your job. Honestly, it isn't even that much. But none of that matters. Because for the first time in your life, someone paid you for creating videos. That payment means more than money. It means this dream can actually become reality. You smile, not because you're rich, but because you've finally proved to yourself, this can work. Transition. Then comes the moment every creator secretly dreams about. Chapter 10. The viral video. You upload another video, just like you've done hundreds of times before. You go to sleep, expecting another normal day. Then your phone starts vibrating. Again, and again, and again. You open YouTube Studio. 10,000 views. 50,000. 100,000. 500,000. 1 million
I'm
views.
working on it, I
The
promise.
numbers won't stop
Just give me a little more time.
Subscribers flood into your channel every second. Comments arrive faster than you can read them. People begin sharing your videos everywhere. Friends start texting you. Family members suddenly become your biggest supporters. Your phone simply refuses to stop vibrating. In a single day, everything changes. The videos you once begged people to watch are now finding millions of viewers on their own. For the first time, you truly understand the power of one opportunity. Chapter 11. Success changes you. Life feels different now. Brands start sending you emails. Companies want to sponsor your videos. Other creators ask to collaborate. People you've never met recognize your name. Friends who once laughed at your dream now ask, "How did you do it? Can you teach me?" It's funny. The same dream people once doubted has become the thing they admire most. But success comes with a price. Every upload now has expectations. Every thumbnail matters. Every title matters. One bad video feels like the end of the world. You're no longer afraid of getting no views. You're afraid of losing everything you've built. Success doesn't remove pressure. It simply replaces it with a different kind. Then one day, a package arrives at your door. You already know what's inside. Slowly, you open the box. There it is, your first YouTube Creator Award. You hold it in your hands. And for a moment, everything becomes quiet. Your mind doesn't think about the millions of views. It doesn't think about the money. Instead, it remembers the person who refreshed YouTube Studio every 30 seconds, hoping for just one view. Transition. And that's when you finally understand the truth. Chapter 12. The truth. People think becoming a successful YouTuber starts the day your video goes viral. It doesn't. It starts the day you upload a video that nobody watches. It starts the day you spend hours editing, only to get 2 views. It starts the day people laugh at your dream, and you upload again anyway. It starts the day you choose to improve, instead of giving up. Because every successful YouTuber has one thing in common. They weren't the smartest. They weren't the luckiest. They simply refused to quit long enough for the world to finally notice them. So if you're still sitting there, wondering whether you should upload your first video or your next one, this is your sign. Press publish. Because nobody remembers the creator who almost started. The world only remembers the one who never gave up. If you like more of this content, please like, follow, and share for more.